In this quick tutorial, we're going to discuss how you can add the drop shadow effect in the Davinci Resolve software to the video or image clips. So all you need to do is just simply open the Davinci Resolve and import the media files to the timeline of which you want to apply this effect. Now, for example, I have this base media clip and I add a layer as well, and I adjust it so that the layer of or for so that the shadows has been visible. First let me just make it just larger. Now or in this effects panel, all you need to do is just simply go to the drop, search for the drop shadow. You can see if I search drop, you can see this is the effect of drop shadow. Just simply drag and drop to the timeline clip that has been that of which you want to apply this effect. Now you can see the drop shadow has been there. I can increase and change the settings for this drop shadow angle and some strengths as well, so that you can done once you are satisfied with it, you can continue with that. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for having such more helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.